friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you few trendy kurti designs. So please continue watching the video till the end without skipping. So I hope you liked today's video. If you do so, then please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.